Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a pattern in Photoshop. It's a straightforward process, so let's jump right into it. First, open Photoshop and create a new document by going to File, then New. Set your dimensions. For this example, I'll use 100 by 100 pixels, but you can choose any size you like. Click Create. Now use the tools on the left to create your pattern design. You can draw shapes, use brushes, or add text. Make sure your design fits well within the canvas and looks good when repeated. Once you're happy with your design, go to Edit, then click Define Pattern. In the dialog box that appears, give your pattern a name and click OK. Next, open a document where you want to use your pattern. Create a new layer by clicking on the New Layer button at the bottom of the Layers panel. Go to Edit, then Fill. In the Fill dialog box, set the contents to Pattern. Then select your newly created pattern from the Custom Pattern drop-down and click OK. And that's it! You've successfully created and applied a pattern in Photoshop. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.